Have you ever opened a jar of mayonnaise and thought about war? No? Well, maybe you should. Because what if I told you that the smooth, pale spread inside your sandwich was born not in a kitchen, but under cannon fire? This is not your average food story. This is about desperation, invention, and a moment that changed flavor forever. Once upon a dish, something delicious happened. The year is 1756. Europe is at war. On the rocky island of Minorca, the British fortress at Mahón is under siege. French troops swarm the coastline. The cannons roar for days. Inside the French camp, Duc de Richelieu, a nobleman, not a soldier, prepares to celebrate a hard-fought victory. He demands a feast, but the army's cook is panicking. No butter, no cream, no supplies, just eggs and olive oil. What do you serve a duke when the pantry's bare? The cook makes a gamble. He cracks a few egg yolks, pours in a thin stream of oil, and begins to whisk. Fast. It shouldn't work. It shouldn't taste good. But it does. The mixture thickens. It shimmers. It's soft, rich, strange, and new. The Duke loves it. He names it in honor of the moment, Mahonnaise. After the city they had just captured, Mahón. But here's the twist. Not everyone buys that story. Some say the dish already existed in Catalonia, that local cooks had been whipping egg sauces for generations. Others say the French just wanted credit and took the name for flair. Was it invention now or appropriation? What we do know is this. From that moment, Mahonnaise became the talk of France and soon all of Europe. The sauce spread faster than gossip in Versailles. It moved through royal kitchens, Spanish taverns, and finally across oceans. Garlic was added in Spain, lemon in France, mustard in England. But no matter the variation, it was still egg and oil, still emulsified magic. By the 1800s, it had become simply mayonnaise, a peasant sauce turned aristocrat, a byproduct of war turned staple of peace. Today we fight over mayo in different ways. Too bland, too rich, too much on the burger. But no matter how you feel, that pale sauce has outlived generals, empires, and myths. Its origins are still debated. Was it truly born on the battlefield? Or was it quietly stolen from a village cook no one ever thanked? We may never know, but we do know this. Few inventions have spread so far or stirred so many arguments over lunch. So next time you lift the lid on a mayonnaise jar, remember, you're not just holding a condiment, you're holding a mystery. A recipe born of war, confusion, and genius. Thanks for joining us on Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. If you have a favorite homemade mayo recipe, whether it's classic, spicy, herbed, or wild, drop it in the comments. You might just inspire someone to try it tonight. Like, subscribe, and follow the flavors of history, because the past still tastes amazing. Bon appétit!